Hello! It is Sunday. Pupunta, this battery is dying. Wait, let me charge this. Pupunta lang kami ng market. Tapos, mamayang hapon, may pa-barbecue si Lyra sa bahay nila. So, we will go there. Let me just charge this battery. Ayan, bagong battery na. Pupunta kami sa market, guys. Bibilihin namin yung samyang. Kasi diba na-mention ko sa previous vlog ko na gusto ni Marlon magpabili ng samyang. Meron naman atang samyang sa Pilipinas. Pero sabi niya, ano ba ito sa daan? Sabi niya dito na lang daw para mas like, nandun na kapag ano. Machi! We're matching, babe. Are we couple goals? Let's go. Sige na, I'll turn the alarm on. You turn it on. I'm driving. Wait, babe, wait. Alright guys, nandito na kami sa city. Nakapark kami dito sa lagi namin pinaparkingan. Na free. Kasi guys, ang mahal ng parking dito sa city. Uy, over naman yung sobra talaga. Like, nung nag-park si Love dun sa sa Meyer. Nung nagpunta kami dito last time na dinala yan yung car niya, she paid $30. $30 for a parking. Like, what the heck? Ang mahal kaya nun. Kaya kapag may free parking, grab it!
You lock it?
Nope, I didn't lock it. For me. Ganito lang siya i-lock, guys. Lock na siya. Diba? But first, boost juice. Dito kami sa Kmart, guys. Titingnan namin kung meron dito yung my first Christmas. Something like that. Something about Christmas. Hala! Danny! Ito. Cute. Set na siya. Meron na siyang hat. That's cute. Tinignan din namin kung nakasale yung mga Christmas tree nila kasi sa Big W, diba, nakasale. Dito hindi pa. Full price pa din. We got our, shake. I have the mango tango. Tapos si Dan, hindi ko alam nasan na si Dan. King William chocolate yung binili niya. Ubus na nga yun sa kanya. Ang bilis. Nasaan na yung taong yun? Dito pala siya, guys. What's that, baby?
Can opener.
Is it? It's a big one.
Now you put it on there, and then you turn, grips it.
Alright. Yeah, no, I got something from eBay. Do you remember that, like, kitchen stuff that I got for like $1? I'm gonna do like a testing $1 kitchen stuff from eBay. I'll do that as soon as I receive all of them. I only got one. I think I ordered 6. So now, babe, I didn't. Oh, see. No, I was gonna show you this. Look at this. That kind of match Neil's outfit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Too hot, you can't wear that. Summertime.
Yeah, too hot. May pahat kasi. Alright. Yeah, let's go to Big W. I mean, Best and Less?
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa Best and Less. Now, I just need to find that. Like, same exact. Doesn't have to be the same. Like, look at this. Look how cute. Pag may pa-party yung baby mo, pasuotin mo ng gano'n, di ba? Asan na ba yun? Baka wala na sila ng babe. Maybe they ran out of that one, babe. Dito kami sa Kohl's, guys. Kasi gusto ko bumili ng isa pa nito. Nakabili na ako eh. Kahapon ata yun. But look at this. This is 40% off sa $11 na lang siya. Tapos ganyan siya. $375. Pero ito, $12.60. Kasi hindi siya nakasale. Mas maliit siya. 200 grams lang. $12.60. Mas mahal. But yeah. Let's eat. And then cereal for you.
That would have been big mega views.
What is it? Christmas lights and mukbang? Guys, he's already planning the mukbang video. He wants to do the car mukbang. We can do it now with my spring roll, babe. My spring roll looks really good. We went to McGill Barbecue Chickens. We got my spring roll. And then we got some cold, what do you call this? Chicken wings. Let me see, can I eat the chicken wing now? We have the barbecue. I only asked for 2. He gave me 1, 2. He gave me all of them.
They said they'll give you some extra. They're probably like a week old.
Look at this, guys. It's 50 cents each. I said 2 chicken. Do you wanna eat one? Beep.
Warm it up.
Warm it up. And then you wanna eat it? It's good. See, ito pang isang pamilya na to. $1 lang yung binayaran ko dito. The spring roll is ready to eat. So let's eat the spring roll. It's gonna be a long video again if we're doing, yeah, it is hot. Some big spring roll, people. Sige, this is our mukbang thumbnail. It's hot. Siguro din, i-fry nila to for like how many minutes were we waiting? One time. No.
1.
10.
1.
Is this a spring roll or a chicken roll?
No, spring roll. Also like made by the same woman that chicken roll. Probably very similar.
Yeah, it tastes very, very similar. It has the chicken salt thingy going on as well. It's very like mushy.
Yeah, no, bro.
It is like on a chicken roll. I wish I just got a chicken roll. Yeah. Very mushy.
Camera's shaking.
It is shaking. Because of your driving sucks. Okay. Lapit na kami sa bahay, guys. See you later sa barbecue. Guys, yung alarm namin.
Wait, just probably just yeah. No regular.
Sure, grabe ba? Kasi pagdating namin yung alarm namin, ganyan. Should I go out? Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, pero wala naman tao. Baka na ano lang yung alarm. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, nakabili ako ng samyang, guys. Pero iba yung flavor, chicken. See, purple siya. Okay lang ba to? Okay lang naman din, diba? Ano pa rin naman yan? Siguro maanghang pa rin naman yan. Yun naman yung importante, yung anghang, diba? Okay, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung mga nabili namin chocolate. So, meron na akong dalawa nito. Tapos, bumili pa ako ng isa kanina sa Kohl's. And then, dalawa din ito. Lint, yung malaki. And then, isang celebrations. Kasi, last time, nagdala kami ng chocolate. Konti pa nga yun eh. Hindi pa nga, like, ganito kadami. Like, ito, konti lang to siya. Pero, yung dinala namin last time, mas konti pa dito. Hindi naubos. Hindi nila bet. So, ito. Tatlo na sila. So, yun. Yun lang. Papunta na kami Sinong Kai? Papunta na kami kina Lyra, guys. I'm wearing this. Ano ba yun? Top na very thin ng strap niya. And then I'm just, what the heck is going on here? Oh, yeah. And then I'm wearing this pants na I got from Sydney. Ganda ng lighting, ah. Bakit parang puti tingnan ng ano ko? Alright. Malapit lang yung bahay nila. Lyra, siguro mga 5 minutes. Even less. Lapit na kami dun. Kakaalis lang namin, malapit na kami dun.
Sige, vlog ka lang tayo. No worries.
Dito na ako kay Lyra.
Hindi nga ako makapag-vlog
Sexy ni Loy! Look at naman yan, oh. Yan yung nabili namin sa Harbour Town. Nagpunta kami, yung kami lang dalawa.
Dalawa lang kami nag-shopping.
Oo, yung kami lang dalawa, pero siya lang yung meron nabili. Ito na, ang ating vlogger. Ganda na outfit mo. Parang saan yun? MCL? Same, yan din.
$15. Diba to? Oo, to.
Ito yung akin, Pilipinas lang to. Ito yung sa Sydney.
Yeah,
Zapol. Zapol na naman. Lagi ng Zapol. Hi, ate.
say hi.
Ganda yung Christmas tree nila, oh.
Wala ko pala si
White Christmas.
Akala ko kami late.
Dito yung si Kat. Sexy. Ah! Diba? Hey, bye! Hey, baba!
Dami nang sabi ang blue daw. Lahat ng comment ang
Ay, salamat eh. Thank you daw. Ang ganda
Ako taga-reply, sabi ko, thank you. Ang ganda taga-reply ko, thank you. Ganun.
Hi, guys! Headband niya, oh. Oo nga eh. Na-open mo na ba? I-open mo nga. Baka gusto mo palitan yung damit niya. Okay naman ang damit niya. Sabi ko nga eh.
Kasi akala ko, oh, yun, napapagalitan na naman. Ay, baka nanonood si ano, may nagagalit.
Ay, naman dyan.
Thank you, guys. Alam mo,
walang
guys,
problema.
regalo na siya ng regalo, guys.
Uy, nabili ko na matagal na. Yung para sa baby shower.
Christmas.
Baby shower, ano? Para sa christening sana, hindi ko nasali.
Alam mo yung binili niya sa akin, Day? Upuan, day.
Oo nga, day.
High chair. Bungga kaya tinext ko siya. Sabi, wala pa ako niyan, day.
Ay, good. Wala ka pa nun? Kmart yung binili. Okay lang ba sa'yo ang galing sa Kmart?
Hindi gusto ko yung ano, day. Sa Meyer.
Yung lumilipad, day. Oo, magkaiba ba yun? Hindi, okay. Okay lang. Demanding talaga tong isa. Gusto niya yung mga mamahal.
Ikaw po yun.
Di natin afford.
No. Thank you ako, day. Sobrang thank you ako, guys.
Okay, joke lang naman yun eh.
Hindi yun joke,
May
day.
pataso tayo, day. May dalawa. Nagpataso ka, day?
Yung mga promise, day. I-vlog natin yung mga promise.
Shoulder naman, day.
Gamitin mo na yung vice.
Bakit hindi ka shoulder?
Bibigay ka sa kanya. Alam mo, day, black talaga yung suot ko, day.
Oo, anyari.
Nakita ko sa ano mo, IG, na red. Baka ako na naman yung iba.
Hello? Ay, sa ulit na iba. Sabi ko may touch of red. Laging si Lyra yung naiiba. Tingnan nyo yan.
Traitor, man good siya,
Pero
guys.
maganda yung ano niya, ha? Maganda yan, day.
Oo, ganda.
Sa Harbor Town niya yan nabili sa MCM.
Hindi basta magandang katawan, maganda naman lahat.
Ay, maganda katawan.
Kasi yung baka hindi
Uy, yung anak mo. Ay, nako. Anong dala mo?
Wala, guys. I'm sorry, guys.
Wala daw siyang tulong.
Meron siyang dala milk.
Okay lang yan. Friends naman kami.
Chancing ka naman, ano ba yan?
Kasi labas lips mo na yun.
Ang puti na lang.
Nandito na si ano.
Wala na 3 to 6 months.
Dito na si Christina.
Kay Bibi kasi
Eh, meron siyang love life si Christina. So happy. Look at this. That looks so good. Yum. Thanks, Tony.
That looks so good. You look so good.
May tama. Look at this.
Oy.
Dami. Oy, oy. That looks good. Baby V. Baby V. Hey.
Oh, you can't photo. Like, you can't.
Your vlog was really good. I really like it.
But I'm over it, man. I've been
Your vlog, that was so sweet. Yeah. You're such a sweet vlog, baby V. Whoa. Yeah? No, why not? Go for it. Yeah.
What else do I do?
Because you're the best.
Crap every single day.
And you edit it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, it was really good.
her videos.
I like the, I know, how can you do that? Like, she speaks Tagalog.
I just hope that you say it.
Hope you don't cut anything.
Use it. So
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Okay.
And then I'll go, hey, watch it. Cut out
Yeah.
anything else.
That's good. See, I can't have him edit my video. He will like, he will not have any idea at
Very
all.
long video.
Bakit may pa-butter kayo? Bread. Ay, bread pala. Sabi ko, ano pa-butter sa chicken? May bread pala. Tanga-tanga din ako eh. Yum, kain.
Apart from that, I work
Babe.
3 days a week. My father
Danny?
owns a
Danny?
massive like,
Ayaw niya, day. Hindi niya tayo pinapansin. Yeah, just do that. You're alright, baby V. You're fine. It's Uncle Danny.
compliments to the chef. Very nice.
Yeah, it's really good. You wanna try?
I'll grab my bag.
I'll have some.
Yay! You're right.
I'm going to find some.
Aww. You're fine. Inubos nila, guys. Sila talaga dalawa.
Try
Ito.
to, guys. Hindi ito main. Pero gutom na ako, guys.
Ito pa yung isa. Sarap, no? Sarap talaga.
Sarap, grabe.
Ikaw, kumusta ka na? Gusto mo chicken?
Kala nga namin minarinate mo ito, guys.
Pork na dinarinate ko. Filipino style. Hi.
Char, yum. Thank you, Dai.
Dahil makakalit ako mamaya kasi hindi ko na talaga sobrang ano.
Nagluto ako kanila.
Kasi hindi ko talaga kalit.
Supportive, rice is life. Kakainin ko yung sagbot after.
Demi,
Kumakain ako ng sagbot, Dai.
Demi, sauce ako nito. Yung parang matamis at maasin.
Ano kinakain
Sige,
ko talaga
sige.
na may yung raw?
Oo, yung ganyan, sagbot. Ito. Ay, wait. Hindi naman ako makatayo. Yan. Pero dapat may sauce.
Meron ako sauce dahil.
Oo. Mamaya
Parang
na.
sweet and sour.
Pang last na yan eh. Hindi ka kumakain ng sagbot pa?
No. I want rice.
Nagsasagbot ako kapag nagpapasta kami sa family dinner. Masarap naman siya, Day, kapag nasanay ka na. Basta fresh lang yung ano, salad.
Oo, masarap kapag
Oo.
Kumakain ka rin. Basti kumakain ka niyan.
Oo, kinakain mo kahit ano. Mahirap ang Pilipino.
Hoy, kahit ano, kinakain ito. Sagbot, hotdog.
Alam na, buang
Hoy, hotdog. Ang sarap din ng hotdog. Sobra. Oo. Lagay mo sa bread. Lagyan mo ng ketchup.
Sobrang sarap. Saka mayonnaise.
Oh.
Sobrang sarap.
Ikaw, Lai. Masarap yung hotdog, Lai.
Hotdog?
Sobra.
Sarap. Parang iba yung pagkasarap niya.
Iba talaga yung sa kanya, Day.
Masarap.
Masarap yung hotdog, Lai.
Alam mo yung kakain ako ng vegetables na yung katulad ng mga pang Pilipino, yung talagang lutong-luto. Yung lata. Yung mga ganyan.
Iba naman yun. Ulam yun, hindi yung salad.
Oh, Day, ayoko salad, Day. Ang kaya ko na sa mga salad, sa salad bar, yung potato na may cheese.
Ah.
Di ba, Day?
Paano ulit masarap?
Sure, ah.
Masarap na yung hotdog.
Yun, sobra.
May mga spices kaya yung hotdog.
Ay, gusto ko jumbo, Day.
Ala! Iba din yung
Putlong. Ano ka nakanaintindihan niya?
putlong. Sarap naman ito. Thank you, Day. Salamat. Salamat kay Tony na nagpa-barbecue pa rin. Kawawa naman si Tony, uy. May popcorn, hotdog, pork, steak. Yan. Tapos totoo na plate. Ayaw nila mag-paper plate. Lyra, bakit totoo tong plate na to?
Kain na kami.
Nice and juicy inside.
Yan. Kain tayo. Hotdog, ate. Hotdog. And they have bread there, ate, oh. Jump ako, ate, ha? Sige, sige. Ready? Wala, nakakatakot naman to, ate. Wait, para namang liit nito. Ito, na, ate, this is for you. Ay, maliit naman to, ate. Ay. Sige. Go, ate. Ah. Too fast, uy. Good job!
You want a jacket?
Do I film?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Edo?
Mark your turn. Okay, ayaw niya yan. Ayaw go. May kaya mo din.
Go, Danny boy! Go, Danny boy!
Ah,
He's grumpy again.
you're in it, bro, babe. Okay, I was gonna say we just skip that, so. Bryce can skip, we did this at the gym.
Madilim, Day, pero bye, Day. Uy, bye ka sa vlog ko. Walay. Uy, lovely, bye ka sa vlog ko. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Are you going, Neil?
Exactly. You can say, you guys
Uwi
can
na
stay
kami.
here.
Magkikita na naman kami bukas.
We got plenty of space.
Kat is there. Bye, Neil.
Bye.
Bye.
You're in a vlog.
He doesn't mind.
Sure he doesn't. Yeah, don't.
He doesn't mind.
Okay, you can do challenges with Neil then. You don't
Baby.
I want to do a Vegemite challenge with you. Because I know I can eat Vegemite. Spoonful.
I can eat Vegemite. I can eat spoonfuls.
Yeah.
No.
You should do it then, both of
I can eat
you.
on toast. I can't eat spoonfuls.
Sige na, do it. Challenge.
Lakad daw kayo sa Wednesday.
No, I can eat spoonfuls. I can eat that though.
Meron.
Let's do the spoonful. It's not made to be in a spoonful.
Bahay na kami, guys. Si Dan tatakbo siya. Sobrang saya. Sobrang sarap ng food. Thank you, Lai. Thank you, Tony. That was really good. Maraming nagtatanong sa Instagram kung saan ko to nakuha. I actually got this top from boutique siya sa Cebu, actually, guys. Pinadala nila sa akin to. And, wait, nakalimutan ko. I will do my best to remember. Tapos ipopost ko siya sa screen or like sa baba. Sana hindi ko makalimutan. Lagi ko nakakalimutan kapag sinabi ko may ililink ako. Pero, yeah, boutique siya sa Cebu, guys. Sa Mandawi ata yun na mall. Binigay nila sa akin to matagal na, last year pa. And then, kanyan ko lang siya nasuot. It's nice. May paano siya, parang pa-flower detail. And then that's from Sydney. Yung na-feature ko sa vlog ko. I mean, sa haul ko. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys at my next one. Do not forget, goodbye, good night. Mwah.